Ethan Walker lived in a quiet neighborhood just outside Columbus, Ohio, in a small apartment that looked exactly like his life felt, ordinary and repetitive. Every morning he woke up to the same alarm, drove the same route to work, and sat at the same desk watching the clock move slower than his ambitions. He wasn't lazy, but he wasn't disciplined either. He waited for motivation to strike, believing one day he would suddenly feel ready to change his life. That day never came. Most nights, Ethan sat alone scrolling through his phone, watching other people live the life he told himself he wanted. Former classmates were building businesses, running marathons, buying homes, moving forward. He wasn't jealous, just tired of telling himself tomorrow would be different. One cold winter night, something inside him snapped, not in anger, but in clarity. He realized motivation had lied to him for years. It was unreliable, temporary. What he needed wasn't excitement, it was structure. That night he made a simple decision. No dramatic promises, no life overhaul. Just one rule. Every single day he would do one small thing that felt uncomfortable but useful. The next morning his alarm rang an hour earlier than usual. He didn't feel inspired. He didn't feel powerful. He felt tired. But he got out of bed anyway and stepped into the freezing Ohio air for a short walk. 15 minutes. That was it. No music, no phone, just movement. It felt meaningless at first. No transformation, no instant reward. But he did it again the next day, and the day after that. Even on days when work drained him, even when his mind begged him to skip, discipline slowly replaced excuses. Weeks passed, and he added another habit. 20 minutes every evening to learn something that could move his career forward. Some nights he struggled to focus. Some nights he failed to understand what he was reading, but he showed up anyway. Nothing in his life changed quickly, but something inside him did. Ethan began to trust himself. For the first time, his words matched his actions. That quiet consistency built confidence he had never felt before. Not loud confidence, not arrogance, just a calm belief that he could rely on himself. Months later, his body was stronger, his thoughts clearer, and his energy different. Co-workers noticed, his manager noticed. Not because Ethan talked more, but because he listened better, prepared more, and handled pressure without panic. Discipline had trained his mind to stay steady when things felt uncomfortable. One afternoon, an internal leadership opportunity opened at work. Most people ignored it, assuming they weren't ready. Ethan applied without overthinking. Discipline had taught him that readiness isn't a feeling, it's a result of daily effort. During the interviews, he wasn't the most talented candidate, but he was consistent, focused, and grounded. He got the position. That promotion didn't change his discipline. He still woke up early, still learned daily, still did the uncomfortable work when no one was watching. Years passed, and his life looked nothing like the one he once felt trapped in. Better career, stronger health, clear direction. Looking back, Ethan understood the truth most people miss. Discipline didn't give him success overnight. It gave him control. Control over his habits, control over his choices, control over his future. He learned that motivation is emotional, but discipline is intentional. Motivation waits for the right mood. Discipline acts regardless. Ethan never became famous, but he became powerful in the quietest way possible. He stopped waiting for life to change and started changing himself. One small disciplined action at a time. And that's the real power of daily discipline. It doesn't change your life in a moment, it changes it forever.